Uppity? You want to go up? Uppity? Fishy's where? Uppity. Come right here, babe. This side. Come over here. What do you need, love? Uppity. You got it, buddy. Good job. Oh, good idea. Ditch the phone. All right, climbing the stairs. Wow. Wow. Uppity. 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 Good job, Olen. Good job. Camera. Uppity. Uppity. Oh, catch her again. Here we go. There we go. Whoa! You're right. You got it? You got it? Want some help? You all set? Oh, you got my hand. There you go. Uppity. Oh, you got it. You don't need my help. I'm right behind you if you need me. Wow, you did it all by yourself. Huh? In your room. What do you see, buddy? A book. Should we read that book? All right. No? Different book? No? You gonna read that, baby? Who's that? Daddy? Is that Daddy? Does Daddy read that book with you? Do you see Winnie the Pooh and the balloon? Remember how to say balloon? What happened there? That's kind of, yeah. One-handed. He's holding on to the balloon, isn't he? Yeah. Bonk.